right, so we're gonna pick up with another discussion of how to work SMA Connect with your host, Dylan Stevenson. I am getting such a kick out of this, you guys, you have no idea. So, if you're like me, you're always on your phone and you're barely on a computer unless you're at work. So, let's say you want to be able to respond as soon as a daily digest comes out and you want to get on SMA Connect and see what's going on. Well, we have the solution for you. SMA Connect has a mobile app that you can download on your phone, which is available both on iTunes and the Google Play Store. What you do is install the app Member Centric, all one word, as you can see on the screen. Once you look up the Southern Medical Association through the app, you're going to log in like you're going to log into SMA Connect on the computer. It's going to be the same username slash email and your password. And then once you log in, you're good to go. And one quick side note about the app is once you download the app and you sign up under the Southern Medical Association, the member centric icon will change to the Southern Medical Association's logo, as you can see on the screen. So that way you're not looking for the member centric every time. All you have to look for is the Southern Medical Association logo, and that is SMA Connect. If you have any questions, feel free to get with Mandy or me, and we will help you out and get you set up.